Like new, can close quickly. Awesome second-floor condo. Features 2 owners' suites, crown molding and 2-inch blinds. Interior improvements, newer carpet, refrigerator, dryer and freshly painted. Building exterior renovations 2017 and 2018 include new roof, double pane low E-impact windows, front door, insulation, gutters and Hardee Board siding. Also, this community is pet-friendly. ADMIRAL'S WALK resort-style community amenities include large clubhouse, fitness room, billiard room, kitchen, heated swimming pool, spa and gated entry. Ashton Elementary, Sarasota Middle School and Riverview High School are popular schools in the area. Close to Siesta Beach, area golf courses, restaurants, UTC Mall, Sarasota National Cemetery and I-75, exit 207. Twin Lakes Park is east of I-75 a short distance. 123-acre park serves as a training base for minor and major